Experts agree that talent is a company's most valuable finite resource and a key to sustainable success. However, hiring today poses many challenges for both the people applying and the teams doing the hiring. Between long delays, poor communication, and outdated tools, the system leaves many candidates unseen and recruiters overwhelmed.
Right now, there's a lot of tooling that has made it easy to apply for jobs, but hiring teams do not have the same tooling to engage at scale. So what's happened is you're in a situation where you're getting lots and lots of volume coming in, and you're unable to engage with that volume at scale.
Alternately, on the candidate side, they feel like they're putting their resumes into a black hole all the time. There's ghost jobs. They put jobs up and people feel like they never actually have a job that they've applied to.
Right now, we're seeing unprecedented access for applicants to apply to jobs en masse. And this creates a lot of burden and worry for hiring managers that want to spend time with every single person, but they simply cannot because they're resource constrained.
Now, this is the first time since cloud computing I've seen technology that so many people want to use with AI. About 81% of folks, according to a Tideo study, want to use AI, but only 27% fully trust it. It's very nascent, and folks are beginning to understand the use cases that make most sense.
Changing the way companies approach hiring, a new generation of tools is making it possible to move faster and deliver a more human experience for every candidate.
One thing that AI has done, and especially generative AI, is allow companies to engage with every applicant at scale. So instead of comparing two pieces of paper, a resume or LinkedIn profile with a job description, you're able to speak to all candidates in a two-way format. That's allowed some of the bias to be removed. And also you're able to make that standardized. So you can have the same conversation with every candidate, answer their questions. That's one key way that technology has allowed us to engage with that volume at scale and create a more fair and standardized process.
I think if we fix that, we're going to have a stronger, more equitable workforce. So right now, when people apply, I think we get the tendency of looking for those key buzzwords like, oh, I went to Harvard, or I spent summer in Goldman. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you're the best applicant for a particular business. So what happens is when you are able to use AI to kind of get through that surface level stuff and then really help them see every individual applicant for their individual merits, no matter where they came from or what they look like. It's going to create a more diverse workforce. I think it's going to be more productive as well for our companies.
So on the candidate side, we want to provide the ability and access to get their questions answered, so that having a conversation with the companies, it's not just the company screening them, but them screening the company. On the hiring team side, we want everyone to be looking at, beyond the resume, a more full view of who the candidate is.
When it comes to revolutionizing hiring, Humanly leads the way with AI that empowers both recruiters and candidates. Through their AI-first recruiting platform, Humanly's unique approach combines cutting-edge technology with a deep commitment to humanity, allowing companies to automate and orchestrate every step of the candidate journey.
At Humanly, the problem we're solving is reducing time to hire, so reducing it from 44 days to 5 days. We do this with conversational AI that will actually screen a job candidate in a chat conversation. It will interview them through video, and then it will present the results to the hiring team. So you can kind of think of this as interviewing 10,000 people simultaneously and then getting the smaller set back to spend human time with.
Every company should and is entitled to best-in-class screening and hiring technology. And today, it's exclusive to the biggest and baddest organizations in the country. And so for me, when I think about Humanly, it's about the democratization of best-in-class AI technology so that any company, whether it's an SMB in Fayetteville, Arkansas, or a Fortune 500 in New York City, can make equitable hires to build the best team possible.
We partner with companies like Empathic, where we're actually able to measure the empathy and active listening that our tools are using and compare that to humans. We want to give hiring teams time back in the day so they can focus on the top candidates, and what we're actually doing is getting the right candidates to humans faster.
When the gun nailer came out, carpenters didn't lose their jobs, it augmented their job. It made them better at doing their job. They were able to do much more in a shorter amount of time. That's all we're trying to do here. We're not trying to replace people. We're trying to augment the roles that are out there already and make them be able to do their jobs more efficiently at scale, so that we're not abandoning the hundreds of thousands of candidates that are out there. We're actually giving them more ability to bubble up their skills to the forefront and then obviously take them into account.
At the end of the day, we want to empower humans to do what they do best. And recruiters, what they do best is they speak with applicants, whether that's on the phone or via Zoom or in person. We want to equip them with what they're best at, which is great applicants that they can then make a human connection with and decide, are they right for this business or not?
Humanly, AI done right. Scale your hiring and interview the world by visiting www.humanly.io.